Hello and welcome back. We're looking at the National 5 Applications Outcome. For maths, this is Applications Outcome 1.3, looking specifically at percentage increase and decrease, multiplying fractions, and backwards percentages. Now, 1.3 is quite a short outcome, so we'll get started just now. Annie bought a yacht for £160,000. Its value decreased by 9% each year. Find the value of the yacht after 6 years. Now we could do this using the method of repeated subtraction, where we find 9% of the 160,000 and then take that away. Then for the second year, we find 9% of that new amount. But we can do this much faster using our multiplying factor. And our multiplying factor states that we started at 100%, and since this is a decrease, we're going to take away 9% each year. And we can take that number and divide it by 100, giving us a multiplying factor of 0.91. And you should recognize from the link between fractions, decimals, and percentages that 0.91 is the same as 91%. So each year we're getting 91% of the previous year. Now, after 6 years, we will have taken 91% 6 times. So we can do that by saying that in year 6, the original cost of the yacht, the 160,000, will have been multiplied by 0.91 6 times, so we can say that to the power 6. This will give us our new amount, and we can use our calculator for this, and should, unless you're particularly savant with this, multiplied by 0.91 to the power 6. Now, 6 is the number of years that we're talking about, or the number of repetitions. Hit our equal sign, and that gives us 90859.08033. Now, money, we should remember, has a currency sign. This is £90,859, and money has 2 decimal places, 0.8. That's the end of that question. Question 9. Claire measures the length and breadth of a tabletop as shown in the diagram below. Calculate the exact area of the tabletop in meters squared. The clue here, the exact area, should tell us that what we're calculating is going to probably have a fraction in it. Our questions here have mixed fractions. We've got whole numbers and fractions, so our answer will need to be in the same format. Now, the exact area of the tabletop, well, the area of a rectangle is its length times its breadth. So the area of this particular rectangle, I'm going to work up here for more space, area is going to be 4 3/8 multiplied by 2 2/3. And we should start by making these improper fractions and say that the area of this is 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 is 35 over 8, multiplied by 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8 over 3. Now we can cancel these because an 8 on the bottom here and an 8 on the top here, they cancel one another out, giving us an area of 35 over 3, which we can simplify since we know that 11 threes are 33. So that's 11 and 2/3 remaining. And our units here are meters squared. Notice that it did inform us of the units, so we need to make sure we use them. And that's the end of the question. Question 10. A trainee in a garden center monitors the growth of a young plant. The height of the plant is found to have increased by 13% to 48 centimeters. Find the height of the plant when the trainee started to monitor it. Well, when he started to monitor it, it was at 100% of its height. At 48 centimeters, it's now at 113% of its height. 113% is equal to 48 centimeters. We want to know how tall it was when he started. We want to know what it was at 100%. 100% then. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my 48 and I'm going to divide it by 113. And that will give me what 1% of the original height was. I can then take that number and multiply it by 100, and that would take me back up to 100%. And again, using our calculators, we type 48 divided by 113, and then once I've hit equals, I'm going to hit times 100, and that gives me an answer of 42.477 ... or 42.48 centimeters. And that is the end of applications 1.3. Nice and quick. Good luck.